an alliance with either Congress or BJP. Both seem to work for former Karnataka Chief Minister and JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy. On Friday, he declared that his party is open to a post-poll alliance with either the Congress or the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, offering each potential lifelines ahead of Saturday's counting of votes. Exit polls have indicated a hung assembly as the most likely outcome. Some gave the Congress an edge, but not enough to stake an independent claim to the next government. Kumaraswamy's apparent readiness to deal with his rivals comes days after his father, ex-Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda, suggested that the JDS will not engage with the Congress with whom it allied after the 2018 election to form a government that collapsed the following year after rebel MLAs walked out. But now reports have emerged that Kumaraswamy is now ready to back whichever of the two national parties agrees to his terms, principal among which is that he becomes Chief Minister. The two-time Karnataka leader is travelling to Singapore for a quick break before tomorrow's counting of votes. Exit polls have suggested that the JDS will win less than 30 seats, but that should be enough to push either the Congress or the BJP over the majority mark of 113. The fact that the JDS sees itself as a potentially key player in this election, despite most likely securing the lowest number of seats, was also expressed on the day of voting. Kumaraswamy, after casting his vote, said that his party would be king. The JDS does have a history of supporting both the parties. In 2006, Kumaraswamy became Chief Minister for the first time after striking a deal with the BJP. However, talk of either the Congress or the BJP reaching out has been denied by both the national parties. The Congress has not confirmed whether it did reach out, but State Leader D.K. Shivakumar's comments yesterday suggest not. He said, and I quote, "There are no chances of alliance with JDS. We will form the government on our own." Shivakumar reinforced his party's plan to go for it alone, no matter what, this morning, telling reporters that he put little stock in exit poll figures.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.